Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. I purchased the Ant Audio W56 wired earphones for just rupees 400 and put them through their tests. Are they worth considering for people on a budget? Let's dive into it. The box is definitely ant size. I mean, it's just about half the length of my hand. This is what comes inside the box. We get the earphones along with 4 additional ear caps, a clip for cable fixing, and a warranty card. Simple and neat, nothing fancy over here. The length of the cable. The cable is in total 4 feet long, which made it very comfortable to use. The cable type. This is a flat cable, which makes it more durable in the long run. In terms of build quality, the overall construction feels good and well put together, and never did I get the feeling I was using something cheap. Even the jack is L-shaped and feels well constructed and durable. The in-ear fit. The in-ear fit was comfortable and well seated inside. They, however, feel a bit on the heavier side, and due to this, they are best suited for casual walks and not for very heavy, intense, sweaty workouts. Audio quality. Moving to the most important area. How do they sound? Telling you the truth, they sounded nothing like an ant. They get surprisingly loud and are bass rich. They sound more pronounced towards the music instruments when compared to the vocals. I especially enjoyed listening to instrument based music on them. While connecting them to smartphones that output great audio quality, they get very loud and need only be used at 70 to maximum 75% volume. If you are a bass lover, you will definitely like how they sound. The multifunction remote also feels well put together and clicky. Single click to play and pause a track, and double click to skip to the next track. Long press and hold to activate the Google Assistant, and single click to take and end a call, and double click to cut an incoming call. Mic quality. The calls sounded good enough. While making calls, I could hear the other person on the other side without any issues, and the other person on the other side didn't have any problems hearing my voice as well. If I were to rate it, I would give it 7.5 out of 10 in terms of overall satisfaction. Finally, to conclude, these earphones have been out for over a year now, and now at a much lower and very affordable price of rupees 400. They pretty much blow away any wired earphones which originally retail at rupees 400. They are excellent value for money and are a definite recommendation from my side for anyone wanting wired earphones with good bass at a budget of under rupees 500. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that y'all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.